Presenting Commodore SLE, the ultimate Commodore. Especially comforting in summer storms, with air conditioning, power steering, automatic transmission, 4.2-litre engine, radial tune suspension, power disc brakes all round, cast alloy wheels, spacious interior designed for driving comfort. Appointed in rich velour with exceptional rear passenger room, stereo, FM, AM radio and cassette player, full equipment.
This is it, and this time I know it's for real.
Holden Commodore SLE, a new kind of car for Australia. At your Holden dealer now.
This is it.